people are going viral just by posting luxury style car wrapping content. Now let me teach you how. Okay guys, so once you log onto your ChatGPT account, you're going to paste the prompt that I am leaving in the description and then hit the enter button, okay? And let's see what ChatGPT gives us. ChatGPT has given us 10 cars that we can choose from. If you didn't like any of these, you can easily come down to the bottom and type in more and then hit the enter button, and it will give you more cars to choose from. So ChatGPT has given us a total of 30 luxury cars, some of the most expensive cars out here on the market. Once that's done, I'm giving you the second prompt to go with this in the description as well. Go ahead and click the enter button. Okay, guys, so ChatGPT has given us our prompt. Okay. So what we're gonna do is scroll through it, and where you see vehicle name, you're gonna put the vehicle that you wanna put in there, okay? Make sure you put the color that you want the vehicle to be. So again, every place that you see vehicle's name, guys, make sure you put in the name and color of the vehicle, okay? Guys, so once that's done, go to copy at the top. Okay, guys, next thing you want to do is go to Google, type in Flow AI, and click on this one right here. Okay, guys, I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one by linking it to a Google account. Once that's done, come here and click on New Project. Okay, once that's done, click on Nano Banana 2. Click from image to video. Make sure the ratio is 9:16. You can leave it on Build 3.1 Lite, and this can remain on 1, which is creating one video only, okay? Then we're going to right click and we're going to paste our video from ChatGPT and then hit the enter button, and let's see what it gives us. Look at the quality of the video. The car looks amazing. Once that's done, make sure you download your video. Guys, for more tutorials like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, Drive with Darlett.